This is a quick tutorial to show further steps of using AI Recreate tool to creatively transform the image into AI art. Press the plus button in the middle of the home screen. Select Compose Image. Choose a canvas size you want. Hit the Object menu. Search for stock elements to compose your artwork. Feel free to express your imagination to generate an outstanding piece of art with our helpful editing tools and stock images. There is also a wide range of backgrounds prepared for you. It's recommended to choose a background with the perfect lighting. For example, the one with flares or beautiful complex light usually gives an excellent result. The image colors, shape, and composition will guide the AI art generator. Here is where the magic begins. Right here we have the AI Recreate tool. This tool will help to create a piece of AI art based on what we composed at the beginning step. Now make a selection for the image. You can select a part or a whole image for AI to recreate. Type your prompt, describing what you want to create. AI will interpret your prompt and generate an image based on your text prompt and composed image. Select the style that you want for your output. Hit the Create button. Now it's time to add a character to the artwork. So basically, I will create an astronaut by recreating it from the stock image. Pick one photo of any human figure. And repeat the AI Recreate steps over again. Enter prompt. Pick styles. Adjust dramatic level as needed. Here is another AI result. You can cut the astronaut out of its background easily with the help of our Remove Background tool. Add more subject to expand the story of your work, and repeat the same previous steps to recreate this part. Instead of using Remove Background tool, you can also use an eraser tool, carefully rubbing around the edges to neatly blend the subject with the original background. This is the final result after combining every technique together. The incredible transformation from a composed image to a remarkable AI art.